2016 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.